Now I can show you 4 free AI apps that you can use to make your first 1K dollars or more online, but you still don't know how to use them. Now in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to use these 4 AI apps to make money and how to be unique at it. Welcome to today's video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you 4 free AI apps that you can use to make money online. And most of these AI apps, you all have heard about it. And I believe that you all know that there is a free version and there is a paid version for this AI app. But you can still use the free version to maximize profit, then upgrade later. And also in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to use these AI apps in a unique way. Now, AI, artificial intelligence, is a simple machine or software that thinks and acts smart like a woman, but they are not humans, showing you that it's going to be missing out on some emotions or feelings that humans do feel. Okay, uses of AI, you can use it as your chatbot or visual assistant. You can use it for business and marketing. You can use it for healthcare, creativity, and the rest of them all. Even self-driving cars, you can use AI for all this. AI is actually a great tool. We are in an era of AI right now, so you should know how to participate and use this AI to boost whatever business you are doing. Like I said before, there are free good AI apps that you can use to make profit online, but it comes with limits. Some do give 30 days free trial, or some do give 1 year free trial, and the rest of them all. But the goal is simple. The goal is to use what you have to get what you want. That's what I usually do tell my students. They should use what they have to get what you want. As a complete beginner in any business, you would probably want to use the lowest risk to gain maximum results. Start with a free plan and make profit from it. Then upgrade to unlock the full potential of that particular AI app. Now, getting the paid version of a particular AI app can help a lot. Yes, it can help you reduce time or stress and cost of downloading other AI apps or downloading other features of AI tools when it can all be gotten from one particular app. The first AI app that we are going to be talking about is called ChatGPT. Now, this particular AI app helps you to create content fast, writing articles, art, caption, or scripts. It's also useful in freelancing like copywriting, email writing, and blogging. And you can also use this to build and sell digital products like ebook, guides, or templates. This particular AI app, I and my students use it most of the times. Though this AI app has the free version and the pay version, but you can use the free version and do most of the things you want to do. Then you can upgrade later to it. I know most of you have seen people making money from ChatGPT, right? And there's a particular prompt they use in ChatGPT to generate such income. Most of them will ask you to DM them interested for them to send you the guide. That is alright, but sometimes it doesn't work out. Why? Because of what we call re-strategizing. Yes, what works for Mr. A might not work for Mr. B, and that is a well-known fact. That's where you being unique comes in. Now, what's the meaning of re-strategizing? This means to step back and review your current approach and create a new or improved plan to achieve your goal more effectively. You're not creating a different plan from what they are creating, but you're going to add a unique style to it. It's not about starting over, it's about adjusting the path so you can make better results. This is what I usually do tell my students. Being unique or re-strategizing a particular idea or information given to you is very, very important. If you don't know how to do this, you might not be successful in your business, because what is working for me might not work for you. So you have to add your own strategy, your own plans to a particular thing to improve on it. I love using illustration. Now let's say Mrs. Bola bought an affiliate marketing course, because this is where most problems do come. This particular business model that is booming, which is nice, but people fail on how to add their own creativity to it to gain better results. Now let's say Mrs. Bola bought an affiliate marketing course from a good mentor. There are many bad people out there, many bad mentors out there, or scammers out there or someone who just recently joined the business model and wants to become a mentor might not fully impart that knowledge on you. So I do advise, people that recently start this particular business model, that they should give it like 2 months or 3 months before they can call themselves a mentor. And her mentor asks her to simply copy and paste his prompts and strategy to make easy sale. That's what worked for that particular mentor. But guess what? After the following instruction that Mrs. Bola takes step by step, but she's yet to make any sales. Why? Because she just did as she was told to. Learn how to be rational while getting information or ideas from a coach or a mentor. Learn how to re-strategize. Learn how to add your own creativity for better results. Even using AI, you should learn how to add your own creativity, go through the prompt so that you can be able to connect and earn more better results. I'm going to be explaining more further with a video.
Now, this is what I mean by being unique when you are using AI. Like if you just go ahead and type this prompt, explain in details affiliate marketing for beginners. Beginners can be a student, beginners can be a stay-at-home mom, beginners can be a 9 to 5 worker. So it's gonna give you a general details that you are gonna give out to complete beginners. But when you specify it, that's where I talk about niche. That's where the meaning of niche comes in. Being specific in a particular business you are doing. It helps and tends to yield more profit than when you're not specific in the particular business you're doing. So, like I was saying, I'm not going to dive into niche right now. I just want to explain to you all what I mean by being unique and restricted, and bringing out your own strategy in a particular thing. So, look at the definition it gives you about affiliate marketing for complete beginners, and look at the definition that is going to give when I asked it to explain in details affiliate marketing to a student who is a complete beginner, knowing he the challenges he or she might face. Do you get what I'm trying to say right now? So when you are specific in a particular business, especially this digital marketing business, being specific helps you to earn more profit, and you will also know the kind of questions that can be coming from that particular thing. This is how to use AI rightfully. Just don't go ahead and type out the meaning of something and give it to someone without putting or knowing the particular challenges or feelings the person might be going through. So this is how to add your own strategy when you're using AI. So you can see it have changed the definition of affiliate marketing for a complete beginner because I specify the particular person I want, the particular type of person I want this definition to be for. Understand? So this is how to use AI the right way, or let's say how to be unique while using AI. Even your project, even your listing, try to add, more of your feelings and more of your intentions so that it can give you a different result, a unique different result. I and my students also use this. Even in our ghostwriting, we also use this. Maybe in the next video, so I will show you another example of how I and my students use this to make our own money too. So this is what I mean by how to use it right, you understand? This is what I wanted to post today on my story. So I wrote it down in ChatGPT and asked it to modify for me. Yes, the name I gave to my ChatGPT, I gave it Drees. You can also give your own name. There's a saying that goes like, when you give a particular AI, or a dog or something other nature name, it tends to, connect to you more. So I just gave it a name. You can do that for yours. You cannot do it if you don't want, you can leave it. So I gave it a particular thing I want to post today and ask it to modify it for me. So this is the other version it gave for me. This is how I and my students do use it. Mostly my students in ghostwriting, this is how we do use it. Because sometimes there's some words you want to say, but you don't know how to say it yet. You understand? Or it's at the back of your head, but you don't know how to type it yet. So you particularly just write out what you want to say and ask it to modify it, bring out a new English for it because people do like, advanced words.
Now, the second AI app that we are going to be talking about is called Canvas. Now, this particular AI app helps a lot. It helps so many businesses a lot. It lets you design a professional graphic easily, and it's also useful for selling templates, social media skits, and ebooks. And if you know how to use this canvas properly, you can also use it as a business. You can start offering service to business or content creators, because not everybody have that time to start getting it right. Now, I will show you a little bit video of how you can use this canvas app well.
Even the free version of Canvas can do a lot for you. You can go ahead and search on videos, clear wallpapers, create thumbnails, all these things that can help you grow your business. You can still do it with Canvas in the free version.
And the next one is called Pinterest. Yes, this app is so great. I recently started using this app like over a year ago, and it has been getting me good results. And I also know other people that this app has been helping too. Now, this particular AI app works as a free traffic source to websites, products, or affiliate links. Yes, it's useful for driving sales of digital and physical products, and can be managed for businesses that want more visibility. I am going to be showing you a little bit more of what I mean and how to use this particular Pinterest app. It's a very nice app though, and the link will be in the description.
So this particular app called Pinterest, I know I'm not the only one that uses it for inspiration. You can also get free AI images from here, for your posts and the rest of them. Or I usually advise people that uses organic method, for generating leads when it comes to affiliate marketing or when it comes to any kind of digital marketing, to use this particular Pinterest, to get inspiration more. Although it won't give you that exact thing you want, because people have already designed it here. And if you are a creative type, if you know how to create all these, good images and the rest of them all, you can also offer service here. You can post your work here and offer service here. Let me check something. I usually go here to search a particular thing I want. Let's say a logo. I want to search for a logo. Then I go ahead and search I use my logo is digital wealth. So let me see W logo design. So you can see a whole lot of nice logo design using just the letters D and W. A whole much you can do in this thing, a whole much of inspiration and ideas. This particular app is actually free, no limit, it's actually free.
The particular problem with this Pinterest app is that you might not find the exact description or image you want. Yes, if you're someone like me that like getting the exact one when I'm trying to create an image or trying to craft something, this Pinterest might not actually be the best one for you. If you really want to go ahead, in crafting the exact description or prompt you want, you can go ahead with Middle Journey or even ChatGPT, the paid version, if you want to get the image fast. Okay, another problem with this Pinterest app is that you cannot actually download short videos that might be of help to you, and this can be really frustrating. Now, the last one but not the least, and is one of the most popular one, is called CapCut. Yes, you can use this CapCut to make editing videos. This particular AI app makes editing short videos simple and trending. And if you are good at using this CapCut well, you can also decide to start creating, editing service or videos or templates to creators and brand. Now, like I do tell my students, this particular AI app is one of the best for editing videos smoothly, and it is also good for looking for trending and creative style, especially when you're using TikTok as your traffic source or you're using TikTok as your marketing place. You might consider using this CapCut, to find more trending and creative styles, to boost your followers or to boost the content more. Now, the cons of this CapCut. And see, the free version comes with watermark at the back of your video or at the back of your editing, which can be very distractive. But that should not matter to you. What should matter to you is the value you're imputing to others. Now, remember the goal: to use what you have to get what you want. This is the advice I usually give my students and other beginners at any business model. Now, as a complete beginner, you should be looking for the lowest possible risks, the lowest possible expenses to earn maximum results. But reinvestment is a powerful thing in a business. I hope you learned something today, at least on how to be unique while using AI apps. And I will advise you to make more research on AI apps and know the particular ones that can help you in your business or in anything you're doing. Now, if you find this video interesting, I want you to like, share, and comment on a particular topic you want me to talk about next. Or you can go ahead and join my free WhatsApp group where I drop updates, sometimes free ones, sometimes paid ones, so that you can start profiting from it. The link will be in the description below. Thank you.